boys brought out the cat. And he said, it's a what? It's a jailbreak?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna roll the camera again, folks, cause you know.
Nah, you can do whatever you want. Shit, I ain't really.
Them boys.
Right now, I'm chilling, so.
Them boys brought out the cat. And he said, it's a what? It's a jailbreak?
Yeah, jailbreak one.
God damn, brand new, huh?
Yeah. I mean, well, not no more, but.
You brought it with 10 miles?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I see you, dog.
Yeah.
Widebody, black on black.
Yeah, you're gonna be crazy looking at the seats right now.
Oh yeah?
They got the seats.
What's done to the seats? Oh shit! It's two-tone.
Two-tone, yeah.
Ain't no way. I ain't never seen a cat with two-tone interior, bro.
Jailbreak's coming down.
Only jailbreaks?
Only jailbreak.
Oh shit! I ain't never seen a cat. Yeah.
And you got jailbreak red eye. I got jailbreak Hellcat.
Yeah.
You got jailbreak red eye, which is 807. Jailbreak Hellcat 717.
Oh shit!
I wish it was the red eye. Man, if I knew that.
You don't even need to be the red eye.
No,
but look, if you do the shit I did to my Hellcat, it's faster than a red eye.
That's what I'm
my
saying.
shit made demon power.
Yeah.
I did the upper pulley, injectors, fast as shit.
The reason why I didn't go through all that dumb shit yet is because I don't want to blow my horn.
Yeah, bro, I went through an engine and a trans. I spent 10 grand the other day for the trans. It was 20K for the engine. Keep the warranty, dog. Keep the warranty.
As much as I could.
I'm saying keep the warranty, bro. This shit looks sick.
I got the leg making.
Cat talk. Oh, you got the intake? Ooh. Oh yeah, she's screaming, huh?
Nah, it's screaming. Straight pipe.
Nah.
I cut all the pipes out.
That leg maker, bro.
I just that. Mid muffler out, resonator out.
Oh, so that shit
I took
out?
all that shit out.
Ain't no way.
All that shit gone.
God damn.
5-inch tip.
God damn. I mean, that shit loud.
It's loud, bro.
We gotta drive it, bro.
It's loud, like, yeah, you want to? Come on.
God damn. Oh, pop the hood? You said pop the hood. He said pop the bonnet, dear. Pop the bonnet. No joke, boy. Suck at that white body. Say less. Guys, you saw it. We just drove the TRX, man. Now we're gonna be hopping in the Hellcat. We're gonna take this for a drive and we're gonna see what they do. You jump in with this? Alright, bet.
Trap car, that nigga shit running right there.
Oh, that?
Yeah, his shit don't play. He built all his shit.
Oh shit.
He got a Magnum, fast ass Magnum.
So his crazy fast, huh?
Yeah, he crazy fast.
We can wind down the windows?
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna be right back, my boy. Okay. Hellcat. Y'all know how we do with Hellcats, man. I miss my baby. She gonna take the 4-wheeler for a spin, so you know. Which way should we go? I don't know nothing about this area.
Whatever.
Go left?
Yeah. That's the one back box back there. Okay. Warehouse.
Y'all know how we do with Hellcats, man. That's supercharger, dog. That's supercharger. That jailbreak, that's why. Go straight or left?
You go right.
Go right? Alright, we got it. That jailbreak, guys. This ain't no ordinary nothing now. Why your brakes?
Back at the crib.
Guys, man, I haven't drove a Hellcat in about 3 months, dog.
Really?
In about 3 months, I miss my shit, bro. Or 2, maybe, yeah, about 2 months.
Yeah, I felt like that, bro.
I miss my shit, bro.
Felt like that whole year for me, bro. A year and some change.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What people don't understand, bro, everybody needs a Hellcat.
Everybody, you need one in the corner with more width, though.
Yeah, not just a Hellcat, but everybody needs a Hellcat, bro.
You need one in your garage, for sure.
which other car you know gonna do that?
Right?
Just so easy.
It's so easy,
And listen to the supercharger, bro.
Love it, bro. It's that lag maker, bro.
Yeah.
Lag makers are good.
You know what's even better? If you do the pulley, like the one that I have,
I told you I want to do it, but
I have the 2. Yeah, wait until. But if you do that 25, yeah,
9,500 miles.
Oh shit, yeah, that shit.
You feel me?
You got years of warranty.
You
dog.
feel me?
You got years of warranty, bro.
Bro, the first 3 months my drive shaft fucked up. The bushing broke.
Ain't no way. Yeah, don't tune it. Don't tune it.
You feel me? Like what the fuck? So
I tell people all the time, Hellcats have come with their issues, bro.
They do.
My boy recorded.
Nah, they do for sure.
Time to tag it. We're gonna make a U-turn. Jerry, wanna hop up? Get it sideways? We're just gonna make a U-turn. Jump up and get it sideways, okay?
Yeah, I got a YouTube.
You got a YouTube?
I ain't.
What's the name?
Cat Talk chick. I ain't post nothing. Though,
Cat Talk. Okay, you guys heard it, man. Go subscribe to the man YouTube.
Cat Talk.
And you know, that's what they probably do for real.
And then they be trying to blitz this shit. Last time they be just thinking that Scat Pack in there was a Stolo. It's not.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they was.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah, he was hurt doing. That ain't happening.
How you gonna think the man shit's stolen? I understand it's black and black, but I don't mean it's stolen now. A black guy own it, that doesn't mean it's stolen. You know what I'm saying? Everybody like to think, oh yeah, if a black dude own this, it's stolen or some shit go wrong. You know what I'm saying? But it ain't always the case, dog. Let's see what this post off this truck doing, and then we just kick it out. Go.
Yeah, this shit, it don't make it to gear 3, it die out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, it's
so I stay on 2. Yeah, I stay on 2, 1 and 2.
My boy already know it.
Well, that thing die out, boy.
Yo, shout out to my guy,
any
man.
problem? No problem, my bro.
And let's turn this thing off. Guys. Oh shit, yeah. That shit go hard. That shit go hard. Guys, Cat Talk, man. Follow him on Instagram. Follow him on YouTube. Go subscribe to his channel, man. You see what he got? He has the Jailbreak, man. So, you know, check out his stuff. And yeah, he got that Jailbreak. That Jailbreak. Not no regular cat. That Jailbreak. Okay then? Okay then? He got that Jailbreak. So yeah, check out his channel. I'm gonna link everything down below. We outside, man. We outside. Bro, that shit is sick. That shit.